I'm HVAC repair guy with over 17 years of experience in the HVAC field. Looking at basic packaged gas and electric units? Let's pit the ACiQ PGB4 against the champion PCG4 and see which one deserves a spot on your pad. Both units bring a 13.4 SEER efficiency rating and 81% AFUE to the table, and neither uses a two-stage compressor or two-stage gas valve. But here is where they split. ACiQ runs on R454B refrigerant with a single-speed blower, while Champion sticks with R410A and steps up to a variable speed blower. On protection, both give you a 10-year general and compressor warranty with 0 unit replacement guarantees. But Champion locks down a lifetime heat exchanger warranty over ACiQ's 20-year coverage. Champion is manufactured in the USA and requires a dealer, whereas ACiQ skips the dealer requirement. The winner is the Champion PCG4. With the exact same SEER and AFUE ratings, Champion takes the crown by packing a variable speed blower and backing it up with a lifetime heat exchanger warranty.